Hi, on this video I will show you how we remove small things, small dots on a face. I will use the online software called Pixlr. This is the photo. Okay, as we can see, it needs some repair here to remove these small things in the face in order to look better. Let me bring the photo again so we will compare this photo with the new photo like this after we finish. So now we will work on this photo. We will work on this one. Okay. We need to remove these things first and make the skin look smoothly soft. Okay. The first tool we will use is a heal tool. This one, we'll click here and we will go to each dot like this and just click. Bam, it disappeared straight away. You can see it's gone. It's gone. Finish, finish, go, bye bye, bye bye. It's gone. It's gone. Finish, finish, finish. Here. So we will continue like this until we remove the very big objects and the very dark areas, so we can later work on how to smooth the skin and make it soft. Okay, and now almost we have removed everything, as you can see, and we will start now working on the skin. Let me see, like this. Still a little bit small here, here and here. Okay, now the other tool we will use, it's here. Click on this one and choose your brush size. It's 200 here, and I will just one click in each area like this and this. As you can see, it's changing the skin, and it looks like it's soft skin now. And it gives a little bit bright to the skin. I think it looks fine now. What do you think? I think it's fine. We will know it's fine or not when we compare this one to the original image. Okay. Let me move this one back a little bit like this and bring the original image. Here it is. This is before, this is after. It's a lot of improvement. It's much better now, of course. This is how you work in a photo like this. It's not hard and it takes just a few minutes. And please, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and click like. And if you have any question, just ask and I will answer your questions. Okay? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.